Principal Sir, respected supervisors, my dear colleagues and my loving students. We all are proud DAVians. The full form of DAV is Dayanand Anglo-Vedic, and it is a true and living example of the teachings of Swami Dayanand Saraswati. The main aim of DAV schools and colleges all over the world is to spread Swami Dayanand Saraswati message for enlightening all the Indians against ignorance, illiteracy, injustice and inequality. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, who was a pioneer among the great saints, raised his voice against superstitious, orthodox mentality, child marriage, caste system, widowhood and many other practices which he felt was wrong. It was Swami Dayanand Saraswati who adored the glorious past of India and gave the slogan back to the Vedas. Hindi language, Vedic religion and Sanskrit also got a special place in society due to Swamiji. Swami Dayanand Saraswati's greatest contribution was the foundation of Arya Samaj, which brought a revolution in the field of religion. Indian public will forever be indebted to Swamiji for his significant contributions. He tried throughout his life to uplift Vedic religion and culture. His efforts to free the Indian public from foreign slavery will always be remembered. Let us pay our humble tribute to this noble soul and commemorate the birth anniversary of Swamiji by kindling the lamp of knowledge. And for this, may I humbly request our Principal Sir along with the supervisors to do as well. Please, sir. To pay floral tribute to Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Supervisors, please. Is an instrument of the mind. Thousands of years before, a very powerful line was said in Vedas, and that is Yatha Drishti Tatha Drishtishti. It means how you see the world will appear to you in the same way. Let us come together, talk together. Let our minds be in harmony. Common be our purpose, desires, deliberations, and perfect be the union among us. It's now time to chant the Vedic mantras, and for this, may I kindly request Lakshmi Madam and her team to do us the honor. Please, ma'am.
Shri Guru Pyo Namaha Harihi Om Gananam Ganapatigum Avamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamasravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmana Brahmanaspata Anashurmanno Devashreta Sadhanam Prano Devi Saraswati Vaje Vajini Vati Dinama Vitriyavatu इन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासम् शरीरं मे विचर्षणम् जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरि विश्रुवम् ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि मेधयः पिहितः श्रुतं मे गोपाय मेधा देवी दुषमाणा नागा विश्वाचि भद्रा सुमनस्य माना तया जुष्टानुदमाना दुरुक्ता बृहद्वदेव विदते सुवीरा तया जुष्टऋषिर्भवति देवि त्वया ब्रह्मा ततश्रीरुदत्वया तया जुष्टश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानो दुषस्तद्रविणो न मेधे मेधा महेन्द्रो ददातु मेधां देवी सरस्वती मेधा मे अश्विना कुबा दत्तां पुष्करस्रजा अप्सरासु जया मेधा गन्धर्वेषु च यन्मनः दैवी मेधा सरस्वती सामा मेधा सुरभिर्विशतागु स्वाहा आमा मेधा सुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगति च गम्या ऊर्जस्वती पयसा बिम्बमाना सामा मेधा सुरभि कातु सन्तां मयि मेधा मयि प्रजा मयि इंद्रिस्तेजो ददातु मयि मेधा मयि प्रजा मयि इन्द्रियं ददातु मयि मेधा मयि प्रजा मयि सूर्यो गाजो ददातु हंस हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंस प्रचोदयात् स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
Good morning, everybody. My name is Priyansi Mishra. Nobody can produce knowledge. Knowledge is the accurate appreciation of what it is. Prayer in any form is successful because it is an action. It will therefore have a result. This is the law of the universe in which we find ourselves, said by Swami Dayananda Saraswati. He was born on 12th February 1824 in Gujarat as Mol Shankar and Karsan Ji Lal Ji Tiwari and Yasoda Bai. Today I feel highly privileged and share an interesting fact about his life. In his childhood, he has been told to keep fast for Sivaratri by his father, so that Shivji will come and bless us all.
along with the supervisors present here to do us the honor. Please sir, please ma'am. To begin with the first category, that is the in-house solo dance competition category. And under this category, the first prize has been backed by Ayush Ranjan Naik. Congratulations, Ayush. Second prize has been backed by Surya Sanata Singh of Standard 4A. Second prize under the solo dance competition category.
Congratulations.
The third prize has been backed by Purva Shajina and Kamlesh Swai. Kamlesh Swine, third prize winner under the solo dance competition category. It is a tie between Purvasha and Kamlesh. Congratulations to both of you.
Congratulations.
Moving on to the next category, that is the best out of waste. And the first prize under this category has been backed by Tulika Das. Tulika Das of Standard 3 has backed the first prize. Congratulations, Tulika. The second prize under this category has been backed by Pratyasa Pradhan. The third prize under this category has been backed by Sabyasachi Nanda and Adya Ojha.
Your names? Congratulations.
Hearty congratulations to you, Devi Datta. The second prize has been backed by Divyanshu Mahanti. The singing talents of our school, Devi Datta, Divyanshu Mahanti, second prize winner. And the third prize under this category goes to Sandeep Kumar Sahu. Congratulations, Sandeep. Moving on to the next category, that is the painting competition. And the first prize under this category goes to Divyanshi Das of Standard 3.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Divyanshi. And the second prize under this category has been backed by Mona Lisa Sahu of Standard 4. And the third prize has been backed by Arya Shivanshi.
Morning. Congratulations.
It is a tie between Arya Shivanshi and Anvesha Swain. Anvesha Swain, third prize winner under the painting competition category.
Congratulations.
Hearty congratulations to all the prize winners. supervisors. May I humbly request Rebel Sir to address
Indians present over here. Respected supervisors, respected the team, those are arranging this special occasion. So once again, I am wishing a good morning to all the LRDAvian. Good morning, sir. Dayanand Anglo-Vedic. Today we are observing the 198th birth anniversary of Dayanand Saraswati, the founder of Arya Samaj, the founder of DAV schools, where we are the part of that and we are proud of that. So our humble tribute to the great leader, philosopher, reformer, and the nation builder. Already the Sai Priyansi and Utpalak already told about the great person. You see, we are the DAV, we are proud of it. And we should know all about who is the founder of it. Our students, our staff members, our management, everyone should know about this great personality. So, the founder of Arya Samaj and a reformer of Vedic Dharma, he was famous for that. And actually he was famous for a call for Swaraj, that India is for Indians. This is the golden letter, reformer, and we can say the freedom fighter also. India is for Indian. This is the great quote sitting in front of me. If you find your diary, school diary, and in the beginning of the pages you find details about the persons, those are associated with the Arya Samaj and Vedic culture. Dayanand Saraswati, Mahatma Swaraj, and so many others are there. So it is my request to all the students, including my staff members also, whenever you are getting time, little, not more time I am telling, just to read out, because many things are given in the diary. And if you will read out the diary, you will know the details about the DAV, Vedic culture, social reformer, and many more religions also. But unfortunately, neither you are inspiring to our students, nor you are forcing our students to read out all those things in the diary, school diary. Because the DAV school diary is prepared so many years back, and every year it is rectified also. What are the new things are there that may be deleted, another new things will be included. So this is the knowledge hub for every DAVian, for the DAV. So on his birthday, I may request not only to our students, but on all the DAVian, please go through it. And if any students will go through it, I think any type of quizzing questions will come regarding DAV, he can answer very nicely. So once again, our humble tribute to the great person, social reformer, the founder of the DAV, Arya Samaj and Vedic culture on this auspicious day. On behalf of all the DAVian, including LRDAV, we salute this person who has given the name DAV, for which we are proud, and we are very, very lucky that we are reading in an institute where all types of religions are there. In every Saturday we are performing Havan. It is our moral duty. One MED book is there, moral education book is there in the up to standard 8, I think. There are also many biography and many stories regarding the reformers are written there about DAV also. So that should be the part of our study or curriculum. It is already designed by the DAV CNC. Up to standard 8, the MED is compulsory. So thank you very much for arranging such a beautiful arrangement to tribute our great leader. So once again, I am thanks to all the supervisors and all the organizers those have arranged this special occasion to remember, to recollect the data about Dayananda Saraswati. Thank you very much.
Colleague Gagandeep Madam to propose the vote of thanks. Please, ma'am.
Revered Principal Sir, respected supervisors, teachers and my dear students, I deem it a proud privilege to extend my words of gratitude on this august occasion. I would like to convey my sincere thanks to Revered Principal Sir, as no program of the school can be wholesome without your presence, sir. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all my dear students for their sincere effort and dedication. I would also like to thank all my dear colleagues for their valuable support and presence. At last, I would like to end with a quote. When we express the gratitude, we must not forget the highest appreciation is not simply utter words, but to live by them. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot.